Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool ITT desk telephone, and this is Denise's telephone from the Ozarks of Missouri. And so she's got a really cool color here. It's a Southwest color. This is the initial check out of this telephone, and we want to go ahead and take a look at this line cord. She has the extra long line cord that goes with the color of the telephone, but somebody has put a pigtail on the telephone. What we need to do is we're going to get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off right now. There's no need for that. We're going to make this a much cleaner look with a modular line adapter that we install on these telephones. And so this is no good any longer, and we can throw that away. The other issue is we want to take a look at this telephone. It's in very good condition, and we want to take a look at the inside of this telephone. We'll set the cover to the side because I want to show you something on the inside. It has the wrong bell in it. She had written in her note that the telephone wouldn't ring, and so she was having some issues with that, and it is the wrong frequency bell. So that's going to be removed. We also need to install a bridge rectifier for proper polarity in this telephone. There's no polarity protect circuit for this telephone, and we want to get a circuit in this telephone so no matter where Denise plugs it in, it will always work for her properly. So now what we can do is we can actually start taking the bell out. We don't need this bell, and it's not going to do us any good to have it. So we'll go ahead and remove this bell. And then we'll take a short break from the video. And now we can start on the repair of this telephone. That gives you kind of a look at it now. So we'll take a short break. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up in the repair of this telephone. And we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. Earlier we mentioned that we were going to replace the bell. It is the wrong style bell, and it has been replaced now, so we don't need that bell any longer. We also replaced the modular line port adapter so that it could be plugged into any modern line. And earlier in the video we showed that somebody had pigtailed a modular line cord onto this original green line cord, and so this is a much cleaner connection, and that has been taken care of now. We also went through the keypad, made sure everything was proper there, the network. We installed a polarity protect circuit so that no matter where Denise plugs this telephone in, it will always work properly. So you never know, you may plug the telephone in one jack and it might work right, and then you plug it into another and it doesn't work at all right. So now with a polarity protect circuit, she doesn't ever have to worry about that situation. And now we are ready to do our final check. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the telephone in, and we want to ring it with the analyzer. I'm going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now I want to dial out, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers go by. sending it to, and now we want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. We know it dials out. It has transmit and receive. Now what we can do is move the line over to a regular telephone line, and we can call a time and temp number. So if I push this button on this switch box, that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. Now, they're having problems with their line, so the recording will start, but then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will start again. That's on their end. It has nothing to do with what we're doing, and they're having problems with their equipment. So we'll go ahead and call them now. Give you some dial tone.
Good evening. Today is Tuesday, September 10th. The time is 7:51. Current temperature 93 degrees. Mostly clear tonight and Wednesday. Low tonight upper 60s to mid 70s. Wednesday's high mid 90s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Denise, and she can start enjoying this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.